Well, hi everybody, it's Nancy Alden. Let me take you down to the Cleveland APL and introduce you to some of the good-looking dogs waiting for homes this week. Like this little cutie, pit terrier mix, only about 3 months old. Just waiting patiently to go home and play with your family. Yeah, there's a lot of purebreds down here too. Like this one I just fell in love with, and I think he fell in love with me.
Oh, this dog looks like it's on the back of the Beverly Hillbillies truck. And there's 5 more down here at the Cleveland APL. This is
Bobby Ray. Bobby Ray's he's about a 1.5-year-old bloodhound.
And they came with papers, right?
Yes, they have papers. We have 6 of them, all Bobby somethings. This one's Bobby Ray.
Come here, buddy.
Bobby Ray here, he's very, very energetic.
I think you can tell.
Yeah.
He's gonna need some place to roam.
Yes, definitely.
Maybe a fenced-in yard.
Fenced-in yard would be wonderful for him. Maybe not small children. Come here. Nancy.
He likes I think I got a bed partner. Okay. But you know what? A lot of these dogs are locked up in the cages, and they are, when they get out of the cages, they're so energetic.
Yeah.
You know, they just need to get out and get the wind blown out of them.
He needs his exercise. He needs to get his energy out. He needs to run it out, have fun, someone that can play with him. It's lots of time.
But look at that face.
Yeah.
Oh, what
He's
a
definitely
cute
a
face.
sweet dog.
And there's more. If you want a female, he's got a female sister, and I think her name's Bobby Sue. And there's 5 more of these Bobbies. Just look for the Bobbies and the Bloodhounds. They're purebreds. They come with papers, and they're down at the Cleveland APL. You're crazy. Where's Jed? Where's Jed and Jethro? Good boy.